Okay, 1958 MGA. MGA's aluminum hardtop. Right off the bat, a rub spot or a low spot or something in the vinyl. I don't know what it is, but the vinyl's got a little bit of damage. You can see that it fits to my windshield. It fits a little bit of a gap there, a little bit of a gap there. But keep in mind that I put this frame together to fit my fiberglass one over there. So don't take that. It's in good shape. I do see a bump here, and where's the one? A little bit of a bump there, but this being aluminum, that'll pop out. All of the hardware's there. I don't have it hooked in the back. I just placed it on here. Puncture, puncture, puncture. So I could probably, oh hell, I'm thinking back to when I was a kid. These vinyl repair kits for your Ford LTD, blah blah blah. I know they still sell them. The glass is not glass, it's plastic, but that cleaned up really well, and it's still pretty clear. The seals here are pretty clear. That's me working on that thing. And in all, not bad. Okay, definitely serviceable. I definitely use this. I've got my, what do you call it, side curtains there in the back of that thing. And for the last couple weeks, while I was getting this thing back together, fuel lines and so forth, I parked this puppy outside, and of course I don't have any rainwater or anything else inside, so it's a good top. Okay, it's going to need renovation, of course, but it is in good shape. I'll do once more, slightly around slowly. That's my addition. I hate that stuff. There's always the question of, why is this being sold? Why do you want to get rid of it? I don't ever use it. My Sebring style windshield is inside, and again, I just put this one on to help with the fitment of that fiberglass one. So once this is off, I'm going to put what I consider the correct windshield back on, right? And park this baby inside. So let's look at the interior one more time. There's the back bow. It's in superb condition. Again, that weather stripping is mine. I put that on there. I have been told, and I think I'm correct in saying that the back seal that normally pops up against this thing or onto this thing is... No, I shouldn't say that. I don't want to falsely advertise something I don't know a whole lot about. I was going to say it, that seal also belongs on the fiberglass one, which is common to a lot of the other hardtops, but I don't want to necessarily go down that route. When I did have this hooked in the back, you see it's not, it does fit, but when I had it hooked in the back, there was 1/4 of an inch of gap between the hardtop and the car itself. So I'm assuming there's a what do you call it, a seal. I cleaned up the inside. You can see I didn't get that part of it. That's not mold or anything. That's actually dust. I've had this in storage for about the last 8 years, up in my my own storage, and I just never used it. So a little bit of something there. I'll do some close-ups and move ins and outs. A little bit of something there. At one point, I had intended on taking this apart, taking off the vinyl, restoring the aluminum and painting it a bluish white to kind of match the Elkhart blue that my car is. But then I don't ever use the damn thing. And again, I've got the different windshield. All right, so again, rub spot there. Another low spot there. Again, this being fiberglass, this being aluminum, that pops out. So, price on this, the intended price is $4,000. I am not a motivated seller, so I will bargain a little bit, and talking a little bit. I'm happy to entertain any questions you may have. Okay, I was asked about the serial number for this thing, and I'll be damned if I can find it. I'm not even sure where it's located, but here's, I don't know if you can tell in there, but some aluminum, as you can see. Again, aluminum hardtop. But take you through the rear channel here. I'm looking at it now. This rear channel is where the seal goes in. You'll notice that the hooks are adjustable and made to move in and out with the springs, so every car is different. I've learned that my car is different than everybody else's in terms of basic fitment, so that channel is in very good shape. And I thought that the serial number was in here, but it's not. Here is the interior of this. A little bit of damage there, but not bad. The post tie downs are in good shape. There's no rust. This front seal is one that I put on, so don't take that to the bank. And up. Okay, so the chrome on this is in superb condition. It could use a good polishing, but dents, dings, etc., are not there. There's the Make-A-Wish Foundation top and JP. I'm still tickled about that great deal I got, John, so good for you, man. Let's talk about the headliner. It's in also superb shape, except for this, and that. And it needs a little bit of a better scrub down than what I gave it. Again, that's dust, right? And some more dust over here. That I could repair with a vinyl repair kit. Again, I was sort of toying with that idea, but then I thought if I was going to really redo this thing, I'd buy everything new. The the rear see-through material is in very good shape. A little bit of yellowing, but that's not bad at all. And certainly for its age, it's in excellent condition. I don't know if you can see this. Let me see if I can. The writing here. I wonder if I can read that from the other side. See what it says. Not that you can tell, but let's see. Real light AS6 10-star 72. Do not rub dry, wash with heat-soaked cloth. So I think this is original to this top. And again, it's in pretty superb condition. This rear window has no punctures. Or other, oh my goshes to it. Does need a little bit of a wipe down, but yeah. Other rear plug hook is in good condition as well. Also adjustable, as you can see. Got a spring there. Geez, I'm really considering keeping this. The rubber that goes behind this mount is in good condition, as is this one, as is this piece here. I'll show you from the other side. It's a rubber piece, right? There's that piece I just showed you, and the other rubber piece. I wonder where in the heck the serial number on this would be. Is this it? No. Sorry, I don't remember if I saw a serial number on here or if I didn't. I seem to remember vaguely a long time ago. Up in here, maybe? No. Okay, I'll do one more check up front. I do remember seeing some sort of maybe I remember seeing some sort of, I was drinking scotch, I don't know. Maybe it's under one of these. I don't want to necessarily take it off because of the adhesive, but well, you want to come look at this thing yourself, you're welcome to. You can find the serial plate. That's fine. Maybe I saw it on the back. No. Nope. Nope. And a nobody nope. Okay, well, I'm sorry. I don't know where the serial number is on these. I know they've got one, but I don't know much about it or where to find it. In all, an excellent candidate for good restoration. All the main parts, all the parts are there, main and otherwise. The chrome is in good condition. No pitting, easily shine-upable. The track for the rear is good to go. I wonder if that's the same seal as the windshield. I'll bet it is. It wouldn't surprise me if it is. I bet it is. Anyway, here it is. You're welcome to call, email, whatever, and we'll talk. Starts up. There's reverse. Adjust mirrors. Brakes feel fantastic. Squeaky. Drive. Boy, the steering is stiff. Underway on normal power. Hell yeah. I got a little bit of flat spots, so I'm a little bit but it fucking runs and drives and moves and
1,000 feet, turn right on.
Yeah, I'm gonna press pause and drive it a little bit. A couple times around the neighborhood.